Vehicle owners and city residents in NCD have seen regular road checks conducted by Police, National Road Safety Authority and Central Provincial Traffic Unit. When it comes to issuance of licenses, vehicle owners get it either from Motor Vehicle Insurance Limited or Central Province Traffic Unit. This has prompted NCD Governor Powis Pakop to bring up the issue in Parliament. Transport Minister William Duma says transport issues in NCD are ongoing. However, his department has started policies to regulate the transport system. He also clarified that licensing of PMVs lie with his department, while NVIL issues licenses for private motor vehicle owners.
Licensing our drivers has been delegated to NVIL. We can, if the situation warrants, withdraw the delegated power and enter another arrangement where my department and NCDC can become involved. But again, this is a thing my department has been looking at, and we hope to change the whole system around and introduce a better system that will hopefully reflect the current status of our city in this country.
Once the transport policy is approved by Cabinet, it will then be endorsed and regulated perhaps by one authority. However, many local taxi operators could lose businesses, an issue raised by Northern Governor Gary Jufa, who was recently asked to move to the opposition bench.
This industry, transport, PND business, taxi business, etc., can remain in the hands of properly given businessmen and women.
Minister Duman assured the House that no jobs will be taken over by foreigners under the new arrangement.
Foreigners to actually dominate this industry, and I can give that assurance to the government and the people involved in this industry.
Bridget Komatep, National EMTV News.